Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nurin Jazlina binti Rusli. My metric number is 13DKM19F1055. I am going to talk about SAPURA Energy Berhad Company. The company background. SAPURA Energy Berhad is a Malaysia integrated oil field services company. It was formed through a merger between SAPURA Crest and Kencana in May 2012. The company has employed approximately 13,000 people and operates in more than 20 countries including Malaysia, Brazil, the United States, West Africa, and the Middle East. Next is company scope of business. And number 1 is engineering and construction. Number 2 is operation and maintenance. Number 3, drilling and solution. Number 4 is exploration and production. Company team member. SAPURA Energy Berhad have 7 team member, which is number 1, Datuk Muhammad Anwar Taib, Group Chief Executive Officer. Ahmad Zakiruddin Mohammed, Chief Executive Officer, Engineering and Construction. Rafael Siri, Chief Executive Officer, Drilling Business. Muhammad Nasri bin Mehad, Chief Executive Officer. Muhammad Zamri Juso, Chief Executive Officer, SAPURA OMV Upstream. Puspa Hanita Abdul Aziz, Chief People Officer, People and Culture. Nick Azli Abu Zaha, Group General Counsel, Group Legal and Compliance. Next is I am going to talk about maintenance system in SAPURA Energy Berhad. Number 1 is launcher and receiver. Number 2 is plant turnaround. Number 3 is vessel cleaning. Number 4 is electrical and instrumentation works. Number 5 is painting works and surface protection. Number 6 is piping rerouting and replacement. Number 7 is structural repair, straightening and maintenance. Number 8 is valve overhaul, repair and recertification. Number 9 is riser tie-in and installation of new equipment and piping works. The weaknesses or problems in SAPURA Energy Berhad. The high cost of replacing specialists in SAPURA Energy. Some of the staff responsible for SAPURA Energy's knowledge base and replacing it will be very difficult in the current situation. Niche markets and local monopolies that companies like SAPURA Energy can exploit are fast disappearing. The customer network promoted by SAPURA Energy proved less and ineffective. Reducing SAPURA Energy's market share with increased revenue. The oil services and oil equipment industry is growing from the company. In such a scenario, SAPURA Energy needs to carefully analyze the various trends in the energy sector and figure out what needs to be done to drive future growth. Loyalty among suppliers is low, given that the history of SAPURA Energy comes with new innovation to lower prices in the supply chain. SAPURA Energy's business model can be easily replicated by competitors in the industry. To overcome the challenge, the company needs to build a platform model that can integrate suppliers, vendors, and end users. The suitable maintenance to overcome the problem is number 1, the success of the new product mix. Number 2 is strong brand recognition. Number 3 is extensive geographical presence. Number 4, a record of innovation achievement. Number 5 is brands that cater to customer segments. Conclusion: SAPURA Energy Berhad, SAPURA Energy or Group, is a fully fledged upstream player headquartered in Malaysia and one of the world's largest integrated oil and gas services and solutions providers. They recruit year-round from a global pool of universities and technical institutes. Their people are one of their greatest assets, and their continued success depends on hiring those whose expectations and ambitions best fit their diverse business, environment, and culture. So this is my references from my research about SAPURA Energy Berhad.